Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am in the house with the Reeve knives, large Inkosi and large Sebenza 31 BladeHQ exclusive for a quick comparison. I'm just gonna check them out, give you my impression, see what I find same, different. Let's check them out. Check out Fablades.com. Check out this description down below. Maybe there's something interesting in there. I don't know. You can also check out @Fablades on Instagram. See what is going on right there. I don't know either. So let's go ahead, check these two bad boys out because these are pretty amazing. You get an evolution of the same concept of a beautiful folding knife and very reliable titanium frame lock. Of course, you get the carbon fiber inlays, which are one piece and two pieces over there, one chunk on the side and one chunk on the side also. The clip is just like an aftermarket millet clip right over here with carbon fiber inlay to match that right there, but this stock clip is gonna be exactly as the 31 Sebenza right over there. You get to see like dual thumb stud for the Inkosi, which I believe is stock, and the 31, it's an option. You can get the second one, but I might be wrong. Correct me in the comments if I'm saying something that's not correct. They both are sporting drop point blades, stone washed finish. The jimping is finer on the 31, a little bit more aggressive with the dimple on the Inkosi, beautifully crowned. The Inkosi is crowned till the end. The Sebenza a little bit less, more like here, and this just angle over here is kind of feels a little bit flatter. Both are sporting hollow grind blades, very thin behind the edge, 3mm stock thickness for the 31 and 3.5mm, so a little bit chunkier but sturdy and more robust for the Inkosi going on over there. On this side, that is pretty much it. You have on the lock side the angled clip, which is the same. You don't have a lanyard hole option for the 31. You see, you have a lanyard pin. You have a lanyard option around the standoff in the Inkosi, not on the 31, which is anodized, and you don't have it. So you have extra hardware right over here, which sometimes is going to be rattling. Just add a little drop of oil, by the way. Stop pin looks pretty much identical to me. On this side, of course, like the elephant in the room is the oversized pivot going on the Inkosi, and just smaller on the 31. So besides these facts and the two grooves, of course, that are going to improve the ergo, in my opinion, a lot on the Inkosi, you have a ceramic detent ball, which is the same, internal cutout relief for the lock bar, which is the same, thinner lock bar contact, because here you have a just a little bit more milling going on, but a little bit thicker on the 31. That is pretty much it, guys. And maybe the weight, actually the weight is gonna be, I think, in favor of this guy. A little bit chunkier blade there. It's gonna be dragging 126.3 versus 135.3, so 10 grams a little bit over for the Inkosi, but I mean, not a big deal. They are both fantastic, sturdy, amazing knives from Reeve, and I love them both, and that's why I have them both. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.